All right, you guys ready?
Right? Wait.
So
Get the fuse going?
Yeah.
Grand finale?
Yeah. We might as well. I mean, you got the nuclear, you got the grand finale, and then you got what? Open up that box over there.
That one just looks crazy. Angle.
Who knows what it does? It's probably some crazy Chinese
All right.
stuff, like Lonnie's saying. It's a
Put it
conspiracy.
up there. Go.
Where's the fuse?
Man, I just hope it does not shoot at some people's houses. Let's not do that at the same time.
All right, so they said face a certain side of the family. And it probably. Where does it say that?
Boing. Shoots flaming balls.
Is it this side?
Alright, for a better view, place this side facing your audience.
Now, where's the fuse? You want to just shoot this one?
Yeah, we should do them separately, because...
Alright, go ahead. Let her rip.
Wait. At the very least, still got more of these.
I know.
Kind of big problem. See, everyone else has them. It's like a single shot.
I got this recording, so anytime now.
It says lay flat on the ground. I think you're okay.
Why don't you just like both of them?
Because then you won't...
Go ahead.
You won't see
Well, pull the other one away, right?
You got no cars coming, so you better hurry.
Yeah, go ahead and pull the other one out of the way. He holds it in his hand.
This is an eye.
Not recommended when you're firing a 156 shotter.
That last part was like, now go down and check it.
Was that it? All right, let loose of the nuclear.
Now that did put the light
They
down.
are. I'm telling
that
you,
is,
that
it's
was
so
crazy.
bright long enough.
What kind of makeup was that? That was just the weirdest timeline ever.
It
A big weird non-blowing up sort of.
You might not want to do that right next to that.
Well, the Germans used that in World War II as a rocket launcher.
Oh yeah, they called it a
Right.
Go ahead,
Nubelwaffe.
that car's parked on the side of the
Nubelwerfer.
street.
Nubelwaffe.
Am I the only one
What was that?
No.